We're in room 1327 and we're going to go in, so get first reactions. So in we go. Wow. So it's a lock off, so there's the lock off door. Oh, that's a noisy spring. I'm going to come straight into the kitchen. Wow. There's a seating area. I'm just dumping my stuff, so apologies. Seating area. The kitchen. Oh, I like the bow. It's a full kitchen. Dishwasher, sink, full fridge freezer. Oh, it's one of these funky fridge freezers, like a half and half. That's cool. And then we've got drawers, freezer drawers. That's cool as well. But proper kitchen is going to make a big difference for us. And there's a little like wet bar area over here as well, which is cool. I think all the crockery and stuff is over here. Yeah. And there's a little window through. That's nice. And then seating area. So 5, 6 people, you could probably sit around there. And then, oh, look at this little welcome home sign. How cute. And a little welcome home duck. I remember here you've got, I think there's like some cables. Oh, I'm pretty sure there used to be, oh, there's plug sockets there now. There used to be a DVD player in there, but they've obviously taken them out because nobody uses them really. You can do streaming now. And here's a bed, a single bed. Very cute. Heavy for one person. And you've got the seating area. This is a table, little seat. That is a double bed, so that will fold down, which is super cool. And then you've got these little drawers. Oh, they're very shallow, given how big the drawer front is. I guess that's because it's underneath the bench. A few little bits. Very nice. Oh, and our view. Oh, that's not a horrendous view, actually. It is overlooking the walkway. We had hoped to be up higher, but yeah, that's okay. It's quite a big balcony as well. Nice. Okay. I'm going to go into the master. So I get a seat. Wow. Look at the size of that bed. Tables. You can see the similarities with the Riviera one bed that I showed yesterday. And you've got some drawers and things. Nice little desk. Well, with 100 years of wonder. And then lights and bits. Lamps. Oh wow, look at the size of this wardrobe. I'm guessing it's got a, yeah, and there's a safe here as well. And 2 luggage racks, super handy, and a couple of robes as well. They're not the big plush robes that you can buy, so you probably wouldn't want to steal these. But go buy the other ones, they're better. Safe, same size as in Saratoga, so you stand your laptops and stack them up. And anything else you've got. Okay, extra pillows, blankets. Oh, this is going to be... Oh, we've got pack and play in here as well. We don't need it, but there you go, they have them. And we've actually got a proper fan as well. We had it in Saratoga and I really liked the fan. It just made the air move. And then into the bathroom, we turn some lights on in here. Wowza. The size of that bath. Oh, that's very cool. And it's a jetted bath as well. You can see it's got the controls on the edge there. Little bit. There isn't a ledge to put your iPad on though. Is there a TV in the mirror? No. You could probably pop your iPad over here or something. Or get one of the chairs and bring it in if you wanted to do that. Very cool. And then got little lights. Light up here. Is that extra lights? Oh yeah, it's like 3 sets of lights. And then 1 vanity in here, some drawers. So let's go in here. So in here, this is where the toilet is. So they have got sliding doors, so you could lock it off, you know, if you were sharing the 2 rooms, etc. And then you've got a vanity, mirror, which was why I was wondering where the mirror would be. This big vanity, loads of drawers. I'm guessing that's just, yeah, supplies under there. Lovely. And then in here is the shower. Now this is, oh my word. I mean, for reference, I can't touch the other wall. And I can't touch either wall. I mean, what a test. It's monstrous. Look at the size of this. Oh, you got a washing thing goes across. Oh, that's perfect. You could actually keep the washing hang up if you were having a shower or something. Perfect. And there's a little nook for you to put your things. Lovely. Let's close that. And then this takes you back out into the hallway. Let's turn all the lights on. Let's get it all nice and bright. And there is the laundry. That's going to make a massive difference to our stay. Little cupboard. It's iron. And sweep. Oh, and then all the electrical works are behind there. Let's get all the lights on. There's so many buttons. Oh, that's the incinerator. That one there. That made me jump. I've never had a resort have so many lights. Lots. Everything is lit up now. It's been a long day. There's lots of fun things coming, but tomorrow is another day. Like, subscribe for all the good stuff. Bye!